Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I have the AirPods Pro 2nd generation and I'll show you how to find the sound equalizer for this device. First, make sure you're connected to your iOS device, in this case an iPhone. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility. Next, go to AirPods, then Audio Accessibility Settings. You can also increase the volume using the slider if you want more volume level. Go to Headphone Accommodations and turn it on. Here you can change the tune with 3 default presets, and you can also boost soft sounds with options like slight, moderate, or strong. You can try it in real time and adjust to your preferences by putting both earbuds in your ears. Once you make your selection, the play sample option will be enabled. That's the equalizer for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and you can apply it to your media. You can also customize the transparency mode right here. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.